Hi viewers, I hope all of you are okay and you are watching my program. Surely you should watch. Tell your friends also and tell them to subscribe and press the bell icon. You get all my recipes, and all the recipes that I do is something different to the normal preparation that we do. So you should enjoy preparing and you will be really surprised to see that I do something worthwhile for you. You know what I'm going to do today? Actually, I'm going to do a tomato rice. So when I say tomato rice, don't think that it's a normal tomato rice. Keep watching what I am going to do now. Actually, what I am going to do now, I have already cooked the rice. Either it can be sambar rice or basmati rice, or even it doesn't matter. You can have even red rice also. Will be nice, tasty, and it's good for healthy. Now when I cook the rice, I hope all of you know, when I take 1 cup of rice, either I can take 1 cup of rice or even 1 tin of rice, whatever you like you can take. For 1 cup we take 2.5 cups of water, cook the rice, keep aside. First thing, I'll put the oil. Say about a teaspoon of butter or ghee. Put a little curry leaves, onions, green chilies, dry chilies, about a teaspoon of mustard seeds, cumin seed also I put. Stir fry this. Nicely stir fry this. I have got the tomato puree. I bought the tomato puree. Either you can buy the tomato puree, or what we can do is we can do our own tomato puree. How will I make the tomato puree? As I am doing it, I'll tell you. This I bought it, right? Boil the tomatoes, remove the skin. After removing the skin, blend it and take the tomato puree. I'm going to put my rice now. Along with that, now I have not yet used the seasoning. Chicken cube, crushed chicken cube I am using. Salt. When cooking rice, I didn't put salt. So we will add a little salt and a little turmeric. We don't need pepper, but I'll just use a little. This is my version of the tomato rice. Fresh lime with all these nice ingredients. Put the rice into the rice dish. For this tomato rice, we have not completed. Now we have to do something else for this. So we will see. First thing, I will put the prawns. And I will use a little bit of salt in it. Turmeric. A bit of lime. Cook in its own juice. Nothing is added. When it's almost ready, I will put, there's water coming out now. Let the water dry up. Oil. Stir fry. I want this to get stir fried nicely. Once it gets stir fried well, I have 2 or 3 things to be added into it. A little onions, capsicum, red yellow pepper. We will add all that. Onions, capsicum, and if you like, red and yellow pepper. All that I am using. Along with that, I need a little garlic paste, a little. garlic paste and ginger paste. Since we added onions, ginger, garlic paste, I think I will have to add a little more pepper, a little chili pieces if you like, you can add. That's ready now. We will see what we are going to do. The rice is ready. It's going to be served with the tomato rice, prawns. Really, really nice to say. Prawns are there. I bought small prawns only so that it will be nice. This is my version of the tomato rice with the prawns. This tomato rice with the prawns, it's delicious. And I would say it's a wholesome meal. We don't need separate dishes for this. This itself will be nice for you to serve. Hot, hot, serve it. Lunchtime, dinner time, anytime you can serve. It's so nice. Tomato rice with the prawns. If you don't like prawns, what will you do? You can use chicken or whatever meat you like. If you don't like fish or meat or anything, soya is there. You can use the soya meat and prepare with this, whatever you like. It's left to you. You don't have to think it has to be something with fish or meat. It can be vegetarian also. Try it out and see how it comes. This is my preparation of tomato rice. So, see how it comes like. This is the best, I would say, for you to try it out. Once you try out, what will you do? You must tell me whether you like it or not. How will you say whether you like it or not? Prepare it. Prepare and see how it comes and comment on it so that I will be happy when I do next time another dish. I will be more happier to do something really nice for you. So till then, what am I going to do? Say bye from me now, and I will meet you soon with another episode.